How to make reusable end screen titles in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and connect it to Media Out. Add a Text Plus node and connect its output to the output of background to merge it. Select the text, type some text like director, change its style to your liking. Here I use a white color and underline it. Drag the text in the viewer a little upward. Add another Text Plus node and connect its output to the output of Merge node to merge it. Change the style of this text to your liking, here I use a yellow color. Now select all the nodes except for Media Out, right-click on one of them and choose Macro, Create Macro. Here check all the options you want to be able to change in the inspector and the edit page later. I only want to be able to change these two text inputs. So, expand Text 1 and Text 2, then under Text Options, check Style Text checkbox, and if you want you can change its name. Now set a name for it, then from File menu, choose Save As. Go to Fusion, Templates, Edit, Generators, and save it in Generators folder. If this folder does not exist, make a new folder with S and capital G. Now close this window and go back to the Edit page. Open up Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag your generator in Timeline. Click on Video Transitions and drag Cross Dissolve to the start and end of the layer. Adjust its duration to your liking. Hold down the Alt key and drag it to the end to duplicate it. Select the layer and in the inspector, change properties to your liking. Here you can see a list of properties that you selected when you created the macro.